पर्ये सभेत सोमारा आमदार विश्वजीत राणेचेर फातर मारपाचे प्रकरण घडले। कार्यकर्त्यांनी ह्या विशीं वाळपय पुलीस स्थानकान कागाळ नोंद केल्या। काँग्रेस म्हणटा भाजपान गुंडागिरी चलयल्या। हे प्रकरण इलेक्शन बोर्ड मेरेन पावोवपाचे काँग्रेसीन थारायला। आडेक्स गोवा खातीर वाळपयच्यान दिनेश करपे आणि पणजेच्यान सुशील शुक्ला।
Segregated group of the BJP suddenly turns up on the stage on the side in spite of police presence and starts stoning the podium and abusive language against the leader of opposition and myself. We were having a very peaceful meeting in Pariye Panchayat with an audience of about 550 people. I have put it on my Facebook also, the type of people there, and we have mentioned that irrespective of all such disruptions, Congress party is going to win both the seats of Pariye and Walpoi with a thumping margin. This is the same BJP party that supported the villagers of Salili when the same candidate's brother was murdered. And this is the same villagers who had the support of the BJP in that time when this man's brother was murdered, and that also a gruesome murder by smashing his head with laterite stones and murdered. Now, U-turn has been taken by BJP leaders and he is the candidate of the Bharatiya Janata Party. People should not forget that this candidate, this boy, is just a young boy who has no experience in politics. It is very easy to make tall claims. Their meetings are not well attended. The frustration of the BJP is because their meetings are not being well attended and they are getting people from outside and making these numbers of 2,000, 2,500 with great difficulty even after getting people from outside. While we get a response of more than 500-600 people in every panchayat area. The BJP is frustrated. Frustrated because they have not been able to live up to the expectations of people. Like our Honorable President mentioned, that the BJP government in Goa today has destroyed the future of the youth. But they will be taught a proper lesson by the electorate. We also, when we were in power, we did not realize the mistakes that were committed and what was the undercurrent. Today there is a serious undercurrent to vote the BJP out of power in the state of Goa. And I believe most of all other issues which I have mentioned, apart from that, it's a democracy. In democracy, the people have a right to express their views. We as leaders of the Congress party can take our views about the government and its misgovernance to the people, and BJP can go and tell what failures they have done to the people because they have failed. It's a failed government. It's a government that doesn't deserve to come to power. And this is not the way elections are fought, and BJP should not misuse the power and the government machinery that they've got in their hand to terrorize people. They are nothing but terrorizing the people, not only in the country but even in Goa, and this is not acceptable to us and this needs to be condemned.
I am here to strongly condemn it and demand that there must be immediate action against these hooligans. Now, Mr. Rane's family is an old Congress family. Satari has been the bastion of Congress party. So much of frustration. This government, which came with many promises, has only betrayed the people's faith, people's trust for the last 5 years.